Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really exciting one. I just got back from the post office where I picked up my dream bag, or hopefully we'll see when I take it out of the box. I've had this bag on my wish list for such a long time and I finally decided to buy it for myself for my birthday this year. So I'm so excited. I have the box right here. So I just took off the address label and I'm ready to start cutting it open. I have some tiny scissors. So while I do that, go down and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you want to see more handbag unboxings and reviews. Also, I'll link to my Instagram down below if you want to go and check out and see how I style this bag, because I assume there will be a lot of outfit pictures on there with this bag. That is my plan anyways. Okay, so I have managed to open it and let's have a look inside. I think it's just so cute how it says Louis Vuitton on the inside of the cardboard box as well. Obviously that's not important, but you know, it kind of is because the whole experience is just exciting. So let me take out the... So at least the box is looking good and very undamaged. That's always a plus. So I'm just going to take off the blue ribbon. Bye bye. Alright, so are we ready? Let's open up the box. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we have the bag in the dust bag. Some of you might actually know what bag this is because I have not been able to shut up about it. It's been on my wish list for honestly over 2 years at this point. So let me know down in the comments below if this was the bag you thought I would be getting, and let's just reveal it. So here it is. It is the Alma Baby in Damier Ebene. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. I have not actually seen this bag up close before. I've seen it like on other people, but I don't know anyone who has it. I haven't seen it in store. It's usually sold out and I live like 5 hours away from the nearest store. It's still like not exactly like I expected. It's a little bit smaller, but a lot cuter. It is so cute. Let's open the bag up and have a look inside. So the zipper goes all the way down on each side. Let's have a look inside. There we have the strap. Let's just look at that for a bit. So it's not actually super wide. It's a fairly like thin strap, but the bag is so small that I don't think it's going to be a problem. It's not going to be a very heavy bag. The leather seems really nice. It's very soft. So I really love these clips right here. They have the Louis Vuitton logo and it's just, the attention to detail is just like warming my bag loving heart. But let's keep looking inside of this bag. So it does have the red interior. I think if this had black or very dark interior, it would be difficult to see anything because it kind of feels like a bit of a hole. It doesn't open very wide. I have to say that the canvas doesn't actually feel very stiff. I thought it was going to be a lot stiffer, but it feels sort of nice and movable. On the inside there is just the pocket, and I have forgotten where the date code is supposed to sit. Oh, there it is. Okay, on the inside of this pocket there is a little flap with a code that I probably will never be able to see what it says. So I want to talk about the canvas choice a little bit. I did obviously go for the Damier Ebene print, and mostly because it has a lot of leather on the bottom of the bag, and I think if you had the raw leather, the vachetta underneath, I would just be paranoid about staining it, putting it down. I need my bags to be a little bit more carefree, and I live in Norway. We have a lot of rain and snow, so hopefully this one will fare a little bit better. I did go between getting this canvas or the black epi leather, but when it came down to it, I just was too obsessed with this sort of print. I really wanted a darker brown bag as well. So now that I'm holding it, it just feels really right. I feel like I made the right decision even though I did go back and forth. Everything looks really good. When I look at the hardware especially, there isn't a single, like I haven't seen a single scratch. This definitely hasn't been like a display floor model. I don't know if they tend to send those out or sell them. They do sell them though, right? That doesn't sound correct that they wouldn't sell them. I don't know. Let me know if you know. So as I mentioned, I have wanted this bag for over 2 years now, and it is not lost on me how much money I could have saved if I just bought it 2 years ago. Instead, I've gone through multiple price increases and still didn't buy it. And now obviously it's been 2 price increases this year on this bag, I think. So I've been holding off because I try not to impulse buy. I try to really think through before I buy a bag. And then I also really wanted the in-store experience. Obviously I live 5 hours away from the store and it's often sold out, and with everything that has been going on lately, I am not taking a 5-hour trip to go shopping. So in the end I decided to order it when it was actually in stock and forget about all the price increases and just do it. Just do it. So it's my birthday present. I love the gold hardware. I know that some people have issues with it tarnishing, so we'll see how that wears, but everything just looks really, really good. I don't think I could have asked for a more perfect bag, really. Every single stitch looks perfect. It's even, it's in line. There are no scratches anywhere on the hardware or the leather. The canvas is perfect. They did switch to matte leather not too long ago, and that kind of made me, oh, I don't know if I like that look. I didn't actually even see it until now. I just remembered, oh, they started doing this in matte. I'm really not an expert on this by any means, but I think it had something to do with the sort of quality, like some quality issues on the leather. I can't really say exactly what, but I really didn't even think about it until now. It doesn't bother me. I think it still just looks perfect and really, really beautiful. This one is made in France. I have to say that I do prefer it to be made in France, but I have no good reason to. From what I understand, there isn't any sort of difference in quality, but I haven't had anything else, so I can't compare. Let me know what you think, if you prefer one or the other. If you think I'm silly for doing so, I can agree. I can agree. Let's try to see what else is in this box. Okay, so there is an envelope with a completely white card. Can anyone tell me what this does? And then we have the receipt, the least favorite part of this entire thing. I'm not going to look at that. And then we have this little thing that has 2 compartments in it. It's very extra. I don't mind. So this is the lock and the keys, and I am really basic. I don't care if you call me basic for this. I don't care. I'm going to put a chain on this and wear it as a necklace, so it feels like I'm getting a free necklace with my bag, except they don't provide the chain or anything else. And then it also has the clochettes, sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. I'm going to try to put this on so it comes in 2 pieces. I don't know what I'm doing. And then we put the clochette over the keys. Cute. And I'm going to try to put it on the bag. I definitely did not oh my god, I have no clue what I'm doing. That was not the nicest looking, so I definitely have to figure that out. That's so unattractive. What have I done? Have I done this correctly? I really don't think I have. This does not feel right. Okay, I probably should have hooked it onto like one of these other sides. I don't know. I don't know that I'm going to be carrying that around on it, but I do think I prefer it without anything. Alright, so I'm going to try to put on the lock as well. What do we think? I feel like maybe it's a little bit clunky. I kind of feel like I prefer this bag without any extra things. Alright, so obviously I'm very, very excited to see what this bag looks like on, so I'm going to try it on right now and show you some mud shots. Having tried this on for a minute now, I have to say that my absolute favorite way is to hand carry it. It looks so cute. I don't know how convenient that is going to be, and I have to say that like I also like it in the crook of my arm, like here. I don't think I have like particularly fat elbows, if that's a thing, but I also don't have that much space left here. It's kind of like it's not uncomfortable. It's a tight fit. If I have a thick jacket on, it's definitely not going to fit in the crook of my arm. I have a lot of flat bags, so I'm really, really excited about having something in a different shape with a top zipper. I'm so excited to start wearing this. Let me know what you think about this bag. Also, what do you think about the price increases? I'm trying not to think about them too much. At least now I have the bag. Now I can just forget about all the price increases and just enjoy the bag, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!